Naman to, di ba?
Apo. Okay, sir. This will be the second round ng Mabining Mandirigma. Ano yung iba ngayon sa dating Mabining Mandirigma last year?
Yung unang-una, of course, yung lead natin, no? At si Lizelle Batukan. Siya ngayon yung mag-play ng lead role na Apolinaryo Mabini. Tapos, yung ating Aguinaldo, ngayon may alternate na. It's going to be Armand Ferrer alternating with David Ezra. So they are two fabulous tenors and performers. So this is something new, no? Pangalawa, of course, since nag-first run na ito and it got naman very good notices in the first run, of course, we started to even trim it and make it even tighter, so you'll see an even more tighter and compelling show.
In terms of preparations po ba, mas mahirap ba ngayon or dahil nakapag-present na dati?
Siyempre, mas madali.
Mas madali
Dahil
na.
the first time, ang mahirap dyan, yung development na tinatawag, dahil you're still ironing out the kinks sa script, and then you're still trying to make music work, you're still trying to experiment with choreography and staging. Mas mahirap talaga yung isa, yung first run. The second run, mas madali siyempre because you're just putting it back together.
Okay, sir. And last message na po, hope you can invite your students or viewers to watch Mabining.
Inimbita namin ang lahat para manood ng Mabining Mandirigma, steampunk musical dito sa Little Theater, Sentrong Pangkultura ng Pilipinas. It starts tonight. It's opening night tonight, February 19, and it goes on for 4 weekends till first week of March. Maganda ito dahil makikilala natin yung isang bayani natin na lagi lang palagay natin, di ba, tinanong na ito ilang beses sa social media, bakit lang siya laging nakaupo? No? Malalaman natin, of course, na hindi lamang siya nakaupo, kundi napakaraming bagay ng kanyang iniisip. At practically siya yung nagpagulong ng buong himagsikan laban sa Espanya, at lalo na yung panibago na namang parang pag-aalsa nung pagdating ng mga Amerikano ng early colonial period of the Americans. Kitang dati natin ito yung isang dakilang Pilipino kung paano niya binuo ang pag-asa at pagnanais ng mga Pilipino na makamtan ang tunay na kalayaan.